Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix EA error code EC10000. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of two steps. First step, you just need to click on the system tray, right click on the EA app and select exit. After that, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data, percentage again, click on OK to open up. In here you just need to find EA desktop folder, EA launch helper and electronic arts. You just need to select these folders and then right click on it and delete it. After deleting it, close stuff here. The second step, you just need to right click on the EA app on the desktop and select open file location. Just need to right click on the EA launcher.exe and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to find app recovery. Just scroll up and find the app recovery and double click on it and select yes. Select the clear cache option. After that you can log into your account and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to reset the internet using CMD. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.